Hey guys, Green Zen, and thank you for coming to my channel. Now, if you've never been here, what I love to do is just inspire the world mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially, because I truly believe that if we all had a holistic balance of each one of those areas on this planet, we would have eliminated hunger, famine, slavery, war, disease, and have grown health, wealth, and abundance together as one human unit on this entire planet. So, if you guys believe in similar messages, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you're notified when new videos are released. Comment below, let me know your thoughts on these different topics that we cover, and share these out with people in your community who needs to hear these messages. Okay, so let's dive into it. So today's topic we're going to cover is, are you all set for your golden years?
Planet Green Zen, inspiring the everyday person to break free from the mundane and take action.
Now guys, were you taught by your friends, families, schools, how to actually set yourself up for success? So when you are in your golden years, you actually can live a life of freedom and abundance instead of stress and anxiety and actually killing yourself early before it's your time. If not, then really ask yourself, are you set up for your golden years? And I love the way Earl Nightingale put it, where he says, do a test. Go knock on 100 of your neighbors' doors and ask them two simple questions. The first one is, how much do you plan to be worth by the time you're 65? And what are you doing currently right now to increase your income? Again, Earl Nightingale had this solved back in the 50s. So that is brilliant. Again, have you guys ever sat down and asked yourself those same two questions? Or have you sat in groups of friends and family and kind of mastermind together and literally talked about those different topics? Most people like to avoid things that matter, things that actually they need to speak of, because it's a sensitive topic. They don't want to deal with it. They just kind of put it in the back of their mind and just wait until they catch up to it. And then by the time you do that, it's too late, because you did not do anything to take action in your prime years to be set for your golden years. So how many of you guys are actually set up for age 65, 75, 85, and literally can live the rest of your life happy and abundant and actually have money in the bank to where you can do whatever you want? You want to travel, if you want to have your house paid off, if you want to always have presents for your grandkids and your kids. How many guys are set up for that, or know yet your grandparents or parents are even set up for that? Again, so what are some things you can do to actually set yourself up for your golden years? The biggest thing, which is phenomenal, is educate yourself. Most people do not educate themselves enough. They just go through the motions, they get distracted, they just don't care about things that matter, but then when it catches up to them, then people want to cry and whine about it and then say they were never told or informed, when their whole lives they had people trying to guide them and show them the right path and the light, but they dismissed them. Now they're paying for it, and there's nothing they can do about it because it's too late. Again, the reason why I make these videos is because I want you guys to wake up and unplug and break free and not actually have it be too late, so then you don't have any regrets in life. I want you guys to wake up and actually take action so you can take care of yourself, and not just you, not just be selfish, but your family, your kids, their kids, again, and then you teach them also how to do it. So then it's not just giving someone a fish, you're teaching a person how to fish. So when you teach your kids how to fish, they can teach their kids how to fish, and so on and so on. So again guys, if you only have a 401k and that's all that you're banking on, I'm sorry to tell you, but you're not going to be set up for success. You're going to be a greeter at Walmart. Actually, those might be even robot jobs. So you're gonna have to find something else to do if you don't have enough cash flow coming in, because that's just not going to cut it. And again, if you guys don't realize, I have a video that says why you should not invest in 401k. Highly recommend watching that one. But again guys, when you start to ask yourself questions, you start to come to answers that you didn't even know were possible, or that you didn't think about before, and then it helps you create freedom and abundance. So I want you guys to really start to just ask yourself deep, meaningful questions that would actually help you prosper in life and get ahead of the game. Alrighty guys, well that's all that I have for you. So as always, I want to leave you guys with a quote of the day. And this quote is by Norman Vincent Peale. And Norman says, the more you lose yourself into something that's actually bigger than yourself, the more energy you will have. Okay, well again, Planet Green Zen signing off. You guys have a great day and take care.